Kailangan din i-edit mo.
You can pwede ka
Mabuang puniin mo.
No, okay, ito na midit.
Ikaw na. Okay.
Sure.
First, yun na ko na ni si Alvin, no? So, gaan po, mag-up. Gaan akong feeling din sa iya. It's because like, pareha man good me, down to earth, anak ba, na mga ambisyosa, nothing wrong, you know, ambisyosa, and daghan good me common denominator. Char. And then, kaning duha, amot na, di pakaon naman ko ano nila dito. No, I love this too. Si Ate Rose, din sa tikingging ka na, as what you mentioned, uy, in English mo taro, kanang gaan good po akong loob sa inyo. Kanang wala na kailangan introduction, bitaw, swak din kay
Kanang baka storya ka lang, walay filter ba?
Exactly.
Dili ta
Like,
magkuan.
unya, di-adapt na din ko ninyo.
Sige ka, kay dukon man yung tikal niya. Pabubuang ka.
So it's just like, ano siya ba, kanang blend dayon.
Mm.
No further explanation.
I think di mo bidit mablenda ang tao ni mo.
Mm.
You don't like, but not all though. It's kuan man ka kanang
Outspoken.
very outspoken person, but also
Real.
real.
Kabalo ka nga real.
Yeah.
Dili
Oo,
fake banga.
Wala ka diretso na.
Diretso.
Oh. Unya,
Not like
sa
sa
inyong-
atong mga friends.
Sa inyong tulo, di bitaw ko mahadlok i-judge ko ninyo. I mean,
Yeah.
you can.
Yeah. So we just na mo ni mo.
No, because we judge in face though. We judge in
I would
face.
rather judge you in your face. I mean, you don't either you like it or not.
I think that's what we are doing though. We judge each other in face. Like, yeah, ikaw, ano na ba ka?
Oh, but anyway, ako thankful kay ko. Kaya I could have met other people, no? Na mag-take advantage na ako.
Oh, yes.
Ako man ang nag-take advantage ninyo.
No,
Okay,
Juday.
go. Oh. So, moving on, sa question, ay ang magpatay the way. So, what's that?
Kulang na ba?
Ano? Karon.
Nahurot na raw ang
Second, two questions. Second, two
Okay,
questions.
okay.
Huwag ko. If our friendship were a movie,
Oh.
what will the title be? And why?
Oh.
Oh my God, I don't know how to answer that.
No, because I don't know movies.
I know movie, but I don't know movie name. Ikaw na lang, oy. Ikaw na, unsa man. American Pie. Ano yan?
Devil's Wears Prada.
Oh, yeah. God, I can see that.
Ano ko ba na story? Ano?
Alicia Silverstone.
Bubog.
We will Devil Wears Prada si Kuan, uy, ang hataway.